Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and welcome to the Juniper Border Gateway Protocol, BGP Lab number 12. In this lab, we're going to take a detailed look at AS override. So we're going to show you how to configure and verify that you have successfully implemented AS override. More specifically, we're going to show you how to do this in this network diagram on router 2 and router 3. The first thing I want to do is explain the current network topology. We have 4 routers. We have router 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are using logical systems to represent these 4 routers, and in doing so we're using logical tunnels to connect the logical systems together. If you're not familiar with logical systems, I would watch the Juniper Series 1 Logical Systems Labs number 1 and 2 for more information. So we have the link between R1 and R2, which is in the 12 network, 12.12.12.0/24. The link between router 2 and router 3 is the 23 network. The link between router 3 and router 4 is the 34 network. And we are representing all of the logical tunnels as LT-120.XX. And what this means is, in the case of router 1, the link between R1 and R2, on R1 side, we have it simplified as LT.12, but that is really LT-120.12. We also have on router 1 loopback 0.1 with the 1.1.1.0/24. Router 4 has loopback 0.4 with the 4.4.4.0/24 network. And as you can see, router 1 and router 4 are in the same autonomous system, which is 1400. Router 2 and router 3 also share the same autonomous system. They are in autonomous system 2300. What we are going to do within BGP is we're going to configure external BGP between R1 and R2. That's in from autonomous system 1400 to 2300. We are going to have an internal BGP or iBGP connection between router 2 and router 3, and then we are going to finish by having a external BGP connection between R3 and R4. That is AS2300 to AS1400. So let's get started. What we'll do is we will configure this lab from the ground up. We'll just go through, we'll do R1, and we'll just create all of the connections, ping through. We'll set up BGP, and then we will get into the configuration of AS override. We'll explain why you might use this both in a certification for studying for certifications and real-world situations. We'll show you how service providers might use this in their MPLS VPN configuration and why they might do so. Just first off, I just want to explain that within BGP, external BGP that is, the autonomous system, the AS path attribute is used to make sure that routes from an autonomous system, in this case router 1 is in autonomous system 1400, it's going to pass its loopback subnet, the 1 network, to router 2. Router 2 is then going to pass this to router 3, and this network